Life in Canada. It is Saturday. I wake up early. The sun is out. There is snow on the ground. I open the window. The air is cold, but I feel warm inside. My life in Canada is new, but it is good. I have a job. I have friends. I study English. I learn new things every day. I eat breakfast with my host family. They ask me, "What will you do today?" I say, "I work in the cafe in the morning. Then I play football in the afternoon." They smile. They say, "You are busy. You are doing well." I feel proud. At the cafe, I say hello to my coworkers. I make coffee. I take orders. I talk to customers. Sometimes I make a mistake. I say the wrong word. But nobody is angry. They help me. They understand I am learning. And each time I learn something new. One customer says, "Your English is better now." I smile and say, "Thank you. I practice every day." After work, I go to the football field. My team is waiting. They come from many countries: Brazil, Japan, Spain, Iran, Mexico. We speak English, we laugh, we play. We say things like pass or good shot or nice try. It is fun. It is also learning. I use English without thinking too much. It feels natural. In the evening, I go home. I take a shower. I eat dinner. Then I read a story in English. It is part of my daily habit. I also watch a short video on YouTube. I do shadowing for 5 minutes. I copy what the speaker says. I like it now. I am not afraid to speak. I remember my first day in Canada. I was nervous. I didn't understand much. I only said small sentences, but I did not give up. I listened. I read. I spoke, even when I made mistakes. Now I see the change. I am not perfect, but I am better, and I keep learning. I meet my friend Minho on Sunday. We go for a walk in the park. He says, "Your pronunciation is good now." I say, "Thanks." Shadowing helped me. He says, "I do it too." It works. We sit on a bench. We talk about life. We talk about our countries. We talk about English. I say, English is not just a subject in school. It is a part of life now. It helps me work. It helps me make friends. It helps me understand the world. Minho says, "Yes." I feel the same. We are quiet for a minute. Then I say, "You know, I was scared before. I didn't know if I could do it. But now I see, if you try every day, you will get better." He nods. Yes, step by step. I go home. I sit at my desk. I write in my notebook. I write about my week. I write about my job, my school, my friends. I write in English. I make small mistakes, but I don't worry. I write because I enjoy it. It helps me think. It helps me remember. I think about all the things I learned. How to read to learn words. How to shadow for pronunciation. How to use grammar without fear. How to speak with people. How to live in a new country. Now, I want to tell you something. If you are watching this video and you are a beginner, don't worry. It is okay to be a beginner. I was a beginner too. If I can learn English, you can too. Just do these things. Read every day. Listen to English. Speak without fear. Use English in real life. And enjoy the journey. English is not only in books, It is in your life, in your voice, in your heart. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it helps you. I hope it gives you hope. Don't stop. Keep going. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Like the video and write a comment. Tell me your story. Where are you from? Why do you want to learn English? Let's learn together. Let's help each other. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, you can do it. If you like my story, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will share more stories. I will help you learn English step by step. Write in the comments, where are you from? Why do you want to learn English? Let's learn together. Let's help each other. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.